So you want to experience Central Park, but you only have an hour to do it? You got it. I'll show you exactly how to do it. So we're gonna start and end here at 59th and 5th. The Grand Army Plaza here. There's the Plaza Hotel right behind me over this way. If you take the NRW, one side of the train will put you out at 60th and 5th Avenue over here. The other side will put you out right in Central Park South over on that side. Either way, just walk to this corner and we're gonna walk north right into the zoo. You're gonna walk through some food trucks, past some artwork, and you're gonna walk straight up this path. Mostly just follow all the people. As I walk up to the zoo, let me tell you, Central Park is huge. It's 843 acres, spans 51 blocks by 3 avenues. You can't see it all, but in 1 hour, you can see the zoo, the mall, Bethesda Fountain, the Bow Bridge, Strawberry Fields, the Sheep Meadow, the Carousel, Wollman Rink, the pond and Gapstow Bridge, and more. I'll show you exactly how to do it in this video, and then check out the links in the video description for a free downloadable map and more detailed instructions. So as we come into the zoo here, it is 11:54 on this beautiful Saturday summer morning. As you walk through the zoo, you can walk straight through it and there's gonna be the animals over on your left. You don't have to actually go into the zoo to see some of the animals. Of course, you gotta go in if you wanna see all of them, but you can see the sea lions right here. So you're gonna hang out and watch the sea lions for a little bit, and when you're ready, come on down here to the Delacorte Clock. The Delacorte Clock here chimes and dances every half hour from 8 a.m. until 6 p.m. So plan your start so you can watch this thing dance. It's actually kind of fun. Okay, walk through the clock, under the tunnel, and straight through. When you come to this split, go off to the left. You come to another split right here and you're gonna see Balto right in front of us. Balto, of course, is famous for bringing the diphtheria medicine all the way up to Nome, Alaska, where my wife once lived, so grateful for him for keeping that town alive. We're gonna go past Balto, through this tunnel, and then off to the left when you get to the next fort. You're gonna follow this until it meets up with Shakespeare. And Shakespeare is at the base of what is called Literary Walk, and that is part of the mall. The mall has these amazing American elm trees lining both sides of it, and it is one of the only straightaway promenades in the entire park. Robert Burns, Walter Scott, other literary greats down here at the base. As you're coming up the mall, definitely stop at the newest statue here, which is the Women's Rights Pioneers. It's really cool. Read the sign. The mall is certainly one of the busiest places here, but it's one of my favorites. It's such a cool stroll, just in this little tree tunnel here. I love it. By the way, you can see my pace here. I am not walking fast. Normally, as a New Yorker, I can walk at a pretty good clip, but on this tour, I'm walking, I think, at a normal pace. The whole trip here is about 2 miles, so you gotta cover a mile in about a half an hour, which I think most people can do. So that'll give you some time to hang out, relax, take some pictures, enjoy it, and I think that's what everybody wants to do when they come to Central Park, so I wanted to make sure I built in that time for you. You're gonna pass the band shell, just keep walking straight. When you hit the end of the mall, you're gonna come up to Bethesda Terrace. If you go down these stairs in the middle, it's got bathrooms on both sides. It's also really cool under these arches and the tiles. Or if you come around this way, across the road, we'll go down the side stairs. I like both ways. If you stay up here at the top, you got the horse-drawn carriages, which are really pretty, and you've got this view of the fountain and the lake. Everybody out here on the rowboats, it's just gorgeous. See here on the edge, just enjoy this. If you want to build in another hour, you can walk over here to the boathouse, go rent a rowboat. Highly recommend that, if you've got the time. Okay, I'm gonna make this easy. You got the fountain, you got the lake, and this first path here to the right is what you're gonna take. Not that one, not up the stairs, this one. So if you took the right path, you should be hugging the lake over here on your right. This path is gonna lead you straight onto the boat bridge. We're not actually gonna cross the boat bridge, we're gonna go back to where you started at and then take a right. As you come down here to the right, you got a great view of San Remo Towers. That's the Dakota right over here where John Lennon used to live. And you'll get a nice view of the boat bridge for your pictures. You're gonna follow this path, it goes along the lake here, views of San Remo, all the way up the west side of the lake. Just a nice walk here. And this will turn a corner, go up a hill to Cherry Hill. Cherry Hill, of course, is the fountain where friends. No, I'm just kidding, it's not. Everybody thinks it is, but it's not. That's a Hollywood lot. But if you wanna make believe, do the friends pose, it's right here. If you wanna see all the bikers, this is where they come to hang out. Past Cherry Hill, you're gonna stick to your right, just kind of follow this down. Comes over to a main road. When it comes to the fork, take the left side of the information booth. Stay on the main road here. You can see this major intersection with the loop road. You're gonna go across into either one of these. Go straight across. Watch out for bikers, especially on Saturdays. As you follow that path, you're gonna come up to a mob of people. This is the Imagine Mosaic. If you want this all to yourself, come here in the morning. Usually there's a musician here playing Beatles songs. It's really nice. Nice to just sit and relax right there. We're gonna walk past them, come out here almost to Central Park West. And here's a better view of the Dakota. That's where John Lennon lived. And we're gonna come through the bikes, through this tree tunnel right over here, and head back down. Through this tunnel, and back down into the park. When you get back to West Drive, just walk along it until you get to the next light, and then we'll cross. Wait for the cross, and we'll cross, and we're gonna head into the Sheep Meadow. The Sheep Meadow has one of the best views of like quintessential Central Park with midtown skyscrapers. It's just amazing here. Also, a fantastic place to relax, to have a picnic, to sunbathe. This is one of the great open spaces in Central Park for sure. You're gonna walk directly across it, head for the big rock. You'll see it from anywhere in the Sheep Meadow. It's a big rock on the edge there. There's an exit on that side. That rock. And there's your exit. All right, when you come through here, you're gonna take a left, go down, and off that way. You'll see the carousel right there. That's where we're headed. When you come to the fork, take a right and go down the hill to the carousel. As of right now, it is $3.50 for a ride. It's fun. Right next to the carousel is a water fountain. If you want to know where all the water fountains are, download the Central Park Runners map. You can find it on centralparknyc.org, and that'll show you where they are. Out of the carousel, you're gonna go down underneath through this tunnel, the Playmate Arch. In front of you, you'll see the dairy. That is now a information booth, gift shop, stuff in there. If you need to get out of the heat for a little bit, get some AC, or in the wintertime if you need some heat, it's a good place for that. Over here on the right is the Chess and Checkers house under renovation right now. Normally you can go up and play lots of games. They got lots of board games, fun stuff, discovery packs for the kids. It's a cool place in there. We're gonna follow this trail, go down to Wollman Rink. Just zigzag, follow this path right over to the rink. So this switches during the summer. They've got a roller skating rink here. Before it used to be a carnival. Who knows what they're gonna have next year. During the winter, it's always a rink. It's iconic, the skating underneath the Midtown skyline here. It's a great place. This is Wollman Rink. So we're gonna head over this way. We're gonna kind of hug along the side of the rink and go down towards Gapstow Bridge and the pond. We're gonna go off to the right here. If you do have a couple minutes, go up these stairs. You're gonna get up on top of this rock here. It's a great view. Up to this fork, you're gonna take a right, go down the hill. You can cross Gapstow Bridge if you want, which is right over this way. I'm gonna go down so you can get a good view of Gapstow Bridge. Come down this way, down the stairs, down to the pond, you get a nice view of it. You can see the plaza right there. We're almost back to where we started. I have like 2 minutes left, so I don't think I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna be close though. But there's Gapstow Bridge. Okay, you're gonna keep following this path right along the pond, and that'll lead you right back out to 59th and 5th, where we started. By the way, this beautiful practically untouched patch of land right here. It's called the Hallett Nature Sanctuary. Definitely check that out sometime. Nice little spots to relax here by the pond. Man, I love this place. So you're gonna follow this out, go off to the left. It's right back where we started. That was close. Maybe spend a little less time relaxing and hanging out. But it's an hour in Central Park. So that's it for your 1 hour tour of Central Park. I hope you liked it, I hope it helped. Definitely check out the links in the description if you want your free downloadable map and some more detailed instructions on how to do this. On the other end of the spectrum, if you want to spend a lot of time in here, go check out the secrets video and see if you can go find them all. That'll take you hours. Okay, hope you have a great day and I'll see you around.